Okay, this took me a pretty long time to get finished, but it's finally finished. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. This is the Thanos Infinity War bust. I found the file on Thingiverse. I can't remember the person's name who created it, but it is an amazing, amazing file. Go out there and download it. The link's in the description. This is... I keep using the word awesome, but it's awesome, right? It's a great, great, great file, a great print, and turned out looking really nice. I printed this on the CR-10 S4 printer, and luckily it's got that big build size. So this is what, I think this is about 15 inches tall total. A pretty big piece. I actually filled it only 2% because I didn't want to waste a lot of filament filling it in. And that actually saved a bit because there were just tons and tons of supports for the chin, for the shoulders, and honestly I don't think I needed most of those, maybe for the chin and for the nose I guess. But you know, I didn't need that, but you know, and that took a lot more time. That 3.5 day print time was quite a bit, but it did turn out looking really nice, especially even on the bald head. It looks really nice and smooth. I did end up coating it with Ecstasy 3D, and that actually gave me a little bit more trouble than I was hoping for, because I kind of globbed it on, and I should have done more smaller, thinner coats in doing that. I painted it with primer and then a gold paint, and then I rubbed on my acrylic, black acrylic paint to kind of give it an aged look, and it really turned out nice. The only thing I wanted to call out that I did a little bit differently than most people is that I filled it, I sort of filled it with resin. And so there was actually a hole in the chin when I printed it, and I'm not sure why. Somebody else on Instagram had mentioned that that happened to them. And so I just put some tape over it right here, and then I filled the inside with just some resin I had from Home Depot, mixed it up, poured it in, and kind of rolled it around on the inside of there to fill in that part, and the tape held it in, and then I was able to kind of smooth it and fill in that piece. It also, when I filled the resin and I put it back down and kind of made sure it held down while it solidified, it also gave it a nice bit of weight because I only filled it with 2% infill. And you can see that's not a lot, right? But the resin, the added resin on the inside gave it that extra, a little bit of extra heft and make sure it stays put. So it's a really nice feeling bust. And overall, I'm really happy with it. When I get this room that's no longer really the Batcave back together, it's going to be displayed prominently because I absolutely love Thanos. So I've only seen the movie twice. Might go see it again. Till I get it out on Blu-ray, I'm just going to sit here and stare at Thanos. Okay? Maybe talk to him about, I don't know, like social programs or other things he can do outside of genocide. I don't know, just some ideas. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to me on Instagram if you're out there, and have a nice little Saturday.
If your wife would make fun of you for, seeing you do this, then you should probably subscribe.
And, Facebook it, Twitter it, tweet it, all that cool stuff, right? So if it's dark and it's night, then you'll want to check out this sort of stuff again, right? Oh hey, thanks for watching.